How's it going, everybody? This is Coach Wade, and right now we're on the credit card broker side of the site. I'm going to take a look at First Progress Platinum Select Mastercard Secure Credit Card. You can get a First Progress Select card and earn 1% cash back rewards. You can choose the First Progress Select card for a lower annual fee. All credit types welcome to apply. Secure your credit line with your refundable security deposit. Choose anywhere from $200 to as much as $2,000 with the ability to increase up to $5,000 over time. That's huge because a lot of secure credit cards, you can't even add an increase to it. Whatever you set up at the beginning, that's what it's going to be. But here, you can actually increase your limits up to $5,000. Build your credit history across 3 major credit reporting agencies. That's going to be Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Credit need is fair credit or bad credit for this particular card. Be sure to click on the Apply Now button, and you'll be well on your way to getting access to First Progress Platinum Select MasterCard. Again, I will put the link in the description field of the video to bring you directly to this resource.